So we want to really, that external rotation is very, very important. Now you're just going to hold it a little bit longer and notice the angle is not too deep, and then come back up. So the big alert was not to go to a 90-degree hinging, but to load the muscle extensively. Remember, we have ball and socket, and we want this full spectrum working. The big thing to watch is if you're going out, that you're widening mostly in the hips and that you're pushing. The whole feeling is pushing this way, not just rotational, but widening. Yes, exactly. So let's have you go down and make sure the weight is back. I'm going to keep my hands here. So when you slide your right leg back, do not move the pelvis at all. Now lift it without moving the pelvis. So now the hamstring and the glute are really connecting. Now can you lift your left hand? Much better. There's usually a bit of a zigzag happening, and then you hold, and in time as the muscles get stronger, you lift the external limbs without changing in your back.